feel we have reduced the number of active gangs from 350 to less than 100 today. Pay close attention to what I'm saying here. In the last 4 weeks, we have had several major seizures of weapons and other contraband coming into our formal ports. Including, I was reading in the papers today that a resident of Manchester was arrested and charged. I want all the criminals in Manchester to hear my voice very clearly. You have no hiding place. All the people who are importing guns into Jamaica, whether you live here or cooperate with criminals abroad, you have no hiding place. I want that message to go out very carefully. Jamaica has invested heavily in building its national security apparatus. For many years, we have had an unsophisticated national security apparatus. We have invested in improving the sophistication of our security apparatus. And that sophistication is not only in the purchase of equipment, in the training of our officers, but also in building strong diplomatic country-to-country relationships that will help us to undermine the criminal networks that exist across borders. If criminal organizations can cooperate across borders, well, governments must cooperate even strongly across borders to bring them down, eradicate them, and eliminate them. And Jamaica is on a solid pathway, as you would have seen recently with various statements, to tackle those gangs who believe that for such a long time they had free space and free reign. No more of that in Jamaica.